Yeah, way.
I'm sorry, did I say cypress? I meant trash tree.
Yeah.
Yeah, so.
Little lawnmower. Oh, shit. Well, we lost our pulling power. I didn't catch the wheelie, but I caught the rear wheels. You pulled the vine down. Yeah.
Alright, so we're gonna take our creation where we ripped the deck off of the lawnmower and we geared it up with a bigger pulley in the front, left the back to give it a 1-to-1 ratio. We're gonna see how much a regular lawn tractor can handle, because they're not useful for much, especially since zero-turn mowers have put these things completely out of business, and tractors pretty much did the same. So we'll see what just a regular beefed up tires with a standard rear end. By the way, it's made by Dana Spicer, like as in your car rear ends, your truck rear ends, your Ford rear ends, most of them, and some military axles. They made that little bitty rear end. Can you imagine that? Of course, we modified 3-wheeler tires on it, welded hubs, and did all that stuff to it. But I'd like to see if we can pull this trash tree out of here. It's pretty big around. What did you say about that? It's 8 inches around?
Yeah.
Roughly.
About.
And then it goes all the way up, and it's all entangled in vines. Let's see if we can pull it out of there. Here. I'd like to see what the back wheels can do. This is what you have to resort to when you have a crappy president and he wants to plummet the U.S. economy into the ground. You have to do country boy stuff.
These are that big one.
Looks like it's still holding. Looks like it pulled it out of the entanglement of vines. That was fun. A dead cypress. All right.